In this video, I'm here at the Long Beach Impressions Expo at the OmniPrint booth. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home, wherever you at. And like I said, I'm at the OmniPrint booth with my man Victor. We here to check out what's new right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what you do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time, man.
What's
Victor,
up, my man?
It's been a minute.
Yes,
it's been a minute. It's been show season. It's been slow, but it's been building up. And this show is a lot better than I expected. How's it been for you?
It's been crazy, man. Like, we're super happy to be at a live event. You know, as you know, we're doing a live event and a hybrid event at the same time to bring value to everybody that couldn't make it to the show. So far, I'm happy, and I'm happy to be releasing new stuff for everybody out there to win.
Yeah, before we go into what's new, man, what was the deciding factor for you not pulling out of the show? A lot of companies pulled out, but what was the deciding factor for you?
So number one is the mission, right? So our mission is to empower business owners globally to thrive with print on demand and e-commerce. The reality is, for me, the show must go on, right? Obviously, we're doing a lot of things to make it safe and all that. I don't like to retreat and I don't like to pull back. Why? Because it helps us achieve our mission for the people out there, right? So that's why we decided to show up.
That's awesome, man. This printer is actually just started printing, so I want to move over here.
Yep.
This is the new machine. What's the name of it?
Yeah.
And tell me what's so great about it. What have you innovated and changed about it that made it cool?
So this is a whole new print engine, whole new printer. This is the OmniPrint i2. All right. So the idea is, how do we elevate our customers to keep growing, printing faster and bigger, and keep growing with us, right? So this is what this printer does, right? So technically, you have 16 by 20 print area, so it's a big print area for jumbo prints. Also, you have a one-pass technology, so every shirt is printing the white and the color at the same time. Now I'm doing a dark shirt for 1.5 minutes. That one's done while we started, and a light shirt in less than a minute.
That's awesome, man. You know I'm faster than a cheetah. So how much faster is it than the OmniPrint FreeJet 330TX Plus?
So basically, this is about 4 times faster for that size artwork. So FreeJet's gonna print about 6 minutes or so, 5 to 6 minutes for something that big. Now you're at 1.5 minutes, right?
Yeah, that's crazy.
So as you're scaling, as you're growing, you know, I want people to be like, all right, print on demand. How can I sell on e-commerce, then print and ship? And for that, I have to be able to deliver like faster printers, and then also machines that can print big, because you know, everywhere in the streetwear world, all that stuff, a lot of big prints everywhere right now.
That's awesome. I think that was one of the biggest things that you hear about the FreeJet is like, it's a nice size, but everybody wants bigger than what they, you know, if you could DTG the whole shirt laid flat, they would do it, just because of the way the artwork is going. You know, it already took care of the colors and everything like that, but increasing that print size was something that was dope, man. Look at this machine, yo. Yeah. Y'all don't cut any corners. It looks awesome. The lights on it is glowing. Man, this thing looks like a freaking tank.
This is designed and built in California. So, you know, I wanted to make sure that when people have this in the shops, a lot of people are ordering it for retail storefront, right? So that means that it's got to look sexy. It's got to call you out, all the lights and all that. So, you know, when you build something, you want to be proud of it. So I'm super proud of this.
Definitely, man. It would look great in anybody's shop, I'm pretty sure, man. And you're right. A lot of companies, like the older companies, they stick with these dinosaur looks, man. Yep. But nah, this thing looks like a tank. So what else we got that's new?
All right. So along the lines of progress, right? So a lot of you guys have been hearing about DTF transfers, how it's changing the world. I really like it for some stuff. And I really like DTG for some stuff. So again, it goes back to the mission, right? So if we want to empower people to grow, we're releasing new stuff that helps them do that, right? So next up, we have our DTF printer. This is somewhere on the 10 grand mark. The idea was to build something that somebody could get into that can't afford direct to garment, and they can get into and start doing something, right? This fits nice at home. The main difference is that it's printing on the film instead of the t-shirt itself.
Nice. So what's the print area or the width of the print?
So this is 12 inches wide. Then this will print on a roll or a sheet if you have sheets as well.
That's awesome, man. DTF is the hottest thing out right now. It's in every booth that you see, man. And it's great to have a company. So what makes this machine different than anything on the market?
So number one, it's all about like we're building our own stuff always. Why? Because I can't just import stuff that I can't support, that I don't know if it's gonna work and all that stuff. Secondly, with DTF, you have powders, you have inks and all that stuff. That's the number one thing you want to be concerned about. So all of our stuff, all of our chemicals is CPSIA certified, child safe, all that stuff. And you're gonna have not only the safety, because we're literally formulating everything in California, and to formulate anything here and distribute it is a pain. But we're doing it, right? And on top of that, you have that quality. So the quality of the feel is gonna be the best.
Right.
That's the number one thing you wanna do with DTF. I like it, I think there's value in the market. Some feel of a lot of stuff out there is just super nasty. So that's the difference that we wanna bring into our products.
Now, when it comes to DTF, you have to put powder on it, you have to then cure it. So do you guys have anything? I know you don't have it here, but is there something that, goes with this to do that, or do you use a heat press?
No, so you can do it both ways. We leaned into DTF a lot, back with our free jets as well. You have a platen, you apply the powder by hand. On here, we have an applicator. Once the roll's coming out, it's applying the powder, shaking it off, and then baking it. So you can do it the same way, or you can do it if you have a heat press already and you want to bake it under the heat press, you can do it both ways.
I can tell you what, I've seen a lot of DTF machines, and this probably, well, I ain't gonna say probably, this is the best looking DTF machine.
You go, right?
You got little brother, you got big brother here, man, and all of your machines can do DTF, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. So even the i2 you could do DTF, because the idea is how can we bring more value to the existing customer, right? So you could do DTF and DTG. Some images have to go on DTG when you need the feel, you need that transparency. And then some of them you can do on DTF.
So lastly, tell me about that software program that you have. What's the name of it?
Yeah, Work. Yeah, so with Work, we have the ability to synchronize jobs from web stores. Let's say you have a few Shopify stores, or you have a rep taking calls over the phone. It takes all your orders, brings them and synchronizes them to one place. And then with a scan of a barcode, you can print on your printers.
I think that's awesome, man. Listen, we are at the Long Beach Impressions Expo here in 2022. It's been a while, man. The people who came out had a great time. It was a lot more companies here than I thought it was gonna be. The crowd was amazing. I did not expect this many people to show up. We're here. Appreciate you for having me over at the booth, man. You're making some great stuff here. So for all you guys watching out there, let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the looks of these machines, how you feel about DTF, and also make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and also check out OmniPrint's channel down in the description below. This is me, your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Sasu, here with Victor from OmniPrint International. Peace.